Okay, all right. We are doing this question. F of x equal to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So here question is f of tan theta is what? Simply what I told is f of tan theta is what 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So what I was saying is here 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, you know. What is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is what is 1. So 1 plus tan square theta is simply secant square theta. See, secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So here 1 by secant square theta minus here tan square theta by secant square theta. So here cos square 1 by this is secant square theta is 1 by cos square theta. You know this formula. So then what will happen? 1 by secant square is cos square theta. Obviously, this you bring this side, cos secant square you bring this side, minus tan square theta means what? Sin square by cos square into this is secant square means what? 1 by cos square. So reverse it, cos square theta by 1. So this gets cancelled. This cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta formula. This is cos 2 theta formula. Already I told you this cos 2 theta formula is cos 2 theta formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Very important formula. You remember this in trigonometry. We'll learn it again. All right. This is what is third question. So then we'll go to fourth question. Okay, this is another question. F of x equal log 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square 2 into f of x. So first of all, what is this modulus function? So first let us discuss modulus function. Modulus function. So what is this modulus function? Modulus function is f maps R to R. F maps R to R defined as f of x equal to mod x. What is this mod x? Which is minus x if x is less than 0. Which is plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0. Equal to you can take anywhere, because by equal to here less than or equal to 0 also, equal to 0 is 0 only. When equal to 0, if you take x equal to 0, here minus 0 also 0, plus 0 also 0. Therefore equal sign you can put here or you can put here, no problem. So now what is this modulus function? Modulus function is what? So modulus means it is very simply absolute value of x. We say absolute value of x means positive only we take. So it's like distance, it's like area, volume. This cannot be negative. Therefore we keep either positive or 0. What does it mean? That means minus 3, mod of minus 3, you know, only plus 3. Why minus? Because x is here negative. X is negative, minus of minus 3. As x is, your x is what is? X value is minus 3. X value is minus 3, which is less than 0. X value is minus 3, less than 0. Therefore put one more minus sign. Now here x is negative, minus x is positive. If x is positive, if x is only positive, write as it is. If x is negative, put one more sign, one more negative. That's what is this modulus function. So that means whenever modulus x comes, it's only positive. And if you write, if at all, no, minus 5 comes now, you write 5, no problem. Then the plus 5 comes now, you write only 5. But some people know 5 equal to, they write plus or minus 5. No, this is wrong. So mod x equal to, you can write plus or minus x, because you don't know what is x value. This can be accepted. When you don't know what is x, x is positive means only if x is greater than 0, you should write only mod x is x only. If x is negative, if you know, you should write mod x equal to minus x. So this is variable, you don't know. Therefore minus x if x is less than 0, plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0. This is what is modulus function. Okay, then now we'll solve this one. So f of 2x by 1 plus x square, understand this, 2x by 1 plus x square. In the place of x, what you should put? In the place of x, you have to put this one, 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so now f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So what do you get? Here in the place of x, what you have to replace? You have to replace this one. In the place of x, I put 2x by. Here also, in the place of x, what I get? 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 minus Here 2x by 1 plus x square. Hope you got this. So we substitute in the place of x, we substituted 2x by 1 plus x square. Here also 2x by, in the place of x, this is x value, na, we substituted 2x by. So then what you get here, you take LCM, modulus, you take LCM. If you take LCM, what you get? 1 plus x square plus 2x. Down, if you take LCM, 1 plus x square minus 2x. So this is same. So you know a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what you get is, next page I am going. So what you get, log of mod a 1 plus x square plus 2x is 1 plus x whole square. By this is what? 1 minus x whole square. Hope you got it. So this is 1 plus x square, this is 1 minus x square. That's what I wrote in the next page. So what you get here, log of, this is 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. This comes front, 2 into log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So that is 2 into, this is f of x only again. So f of 2x by 1 plus x square we got as twice f of x. So that's what is the fourth question. So this is the question. Okay, all right. So what is the question? A is a set of all real numbers from where to where? Minus 1 to 1. So that is interval minus 1 to 1. Now f is a function where to where? A to a, defined as f of x equal to x square. And g is a function where to where? A to a, defined as x cube. Then which of the following is surjection? Is a question now. Which of the following is surjection? So which of the following is surjection is a question. So now let's take f of x. So f is a surjection from a to a or not is the question now. So already we discussed here in a, this is also a, this is also a, already we discussed. So here what will be there? Minus 1 will be there. So many real numbers are there. And then 0 will be there. Again so many real numbers. Again 1 will be there. Here also minus 1, so many real numbers. 0, so many real numbers. 1 will be there. So here question is minus 1. Every element in here, see, codomain should be image. So for minus 1, what is the image? Minus 1 image is very clearly, what is the image of minus 1? Root of minus 1. Root of minus 1 whole square equal to is what is minus 1. That means f of root minus 1 equal to minus 1. Right? This minus 1 whole square means what? Root of minus 1 whole square. Then minus 1. That means pre-image of minus 1 is root of minus 1. See, root of minus 1. Already yesterday we discussed. So therefore, it's not surjection because for minus 1 image is not there. Our images are always positive. See, x square is what? What is the codomain here? Codomain is a. So another way I am telling, x square is greater than or equal to 0. Now x lies between what? This is very important. X lies between 0, minus 1 and 1. That means x square is greater than or equal to 0. That means here x belongs to what? Minus 1 to 1. That is codomain. What is the range then? Range is only positive. Range is only 0 to 1. Range is only 0 to 1. Codomain is not equal to range. So therefore it's not 1, 1. Sorry, it's not onto. Surjection. It's not surjection. But whereas G is there. G is x cube. Na? X cube. So what you can write? F of cube root of minus 1 is what is minus 1. Okay, cube root of minus 1 is what? Cube root of minus 1 whole cube. Cube root, cube gets cancelled, minus 1. Minus 1 image is minus 1 only. 0 pre-image is 0 only. 1 pre-image is 1 only. But if it, you may ask, what about 1 by, what is this here? 1 by 2 will be there. Now here 1 by 2, its pre-image is what? Cube root of 1 by 2. That will be there. So therefore, here, this is surjection. Why this is surjection? F map here, G maps A to A. Okay, A to A. Sorry, this is A to A. G maps A to A. Yeah, G maps A to A. Defined as G of x equal to x cube. What I am saying is surjection. Why this is surjection? Reason. Why this is surjection? Reason. Because here every element, let's say image of x is y. That means x cube is y. Then cube root of y equal to x. So that means if you take Here y, its pre-image is cube root of y. So cube root of, if y belongs to a, that is minus 1 to 1, then cube root of y also lies in minus 1 to 1 only. So therefore it is, every element has pre-image. But before one what? If you take y here, its pre-image is square root of y. Its image is square root of y previously. This is f function, g function is it. So if you take here minus 1, y equal to, if you take minus 1, its pre-image is root minus 1. That will not be there. Root of minus 1 will not be there. So but here it will be there. So therefore it is surjection.